Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making banga soup. Yeah, the ingredients I'm going to be using for today, I'm going to be calling them one by one. This is my beef. I'm using beef. This is my stock fish, fresh tomatoes, 3 seeds of fresh pepper, crushed bonnet. Here I have 3 seeds of Maggi, Banga spice I'm going to be using, but I don't know the name. This is the leaf I'm going to be using. This one I'm going to use this one to this Banga spice. Here I have my crayfish, 1 seed of onions. This is my locust beans. That is iru. I have here Titus fish. Here is my salt. Here is my shaki, and here is onions. This odema. In my dialect is odema, but I don't know the English name. What it's called in English. This is the banga I'm going to be using for today. If you don't have this locust beans, you can skip it. Anything you have, you can use it. You can use scent leaf, but I don't know the name of all these ingredients because my mother bought it for me from Nigeria. I don't really know the name. I think it's from Delta. It's Delta that produce this kind of spices and all, but I don't know the name. But anything you have, you can use it in this recipe. You can try maybe pepper soup spices. This is what I'm going to be using today. First thing I will do is to boil my ishaki. This is my pot. This is the pot I'm going to be using for today. In here we have boiled water. I'm just going to add my ishaki to cook for 10 minutes. We will add our onions. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 Maggi seasoning. I will allow it to cook for 10 minutes. This is the banga I'm using. In here I have warm water. I'm going to put my banga inside this warm water. I'm going to set it aside. We'll be adding our stockfish. We had our beef as well. I'm going to stir it. I will allow it to cook for 10 minutes. This is my fresh tomatoes. I've sliced it. I've washed it already. I'm going to put it inside my blender and grind it. This is my atarodo, that is fresh pepper. Here I have onions. This is my onions. I'm adding it. This is the crayfish I'm using. Here I have oriema, but I don't know the name in English. I don't know the name what this is called in English, but they said it's oriema. I'm going to add it as well. The meat is be cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to bring everything down from the pot so that I will start cooking my banga now. To pack it inside my bowl. This is the banga as I set aside. Now I'm going to add it inside the pot. You see the reason why I put it inside the hot water, because there is some dirty. This is the pepper I blended earlier. I'm still going to put it inside the banga. This is my banga spices. I'm going to put it. If you don't have this, you can use something else. This is the leaf, dried leaf. I don't know the name, what it's called, but they brought it for me from Nigeria. This is my locust beans, and then I will add it too. Then I will stir it. I will still add more leaf. This is my stock meat. I'm going to add a little bit of it, not all. And stir it. First, I'm going to taste for seasoning. I'm still going to add one Maggi cube. Salt. And stir it. And taste for salt. Yeah, it's okay. I will allow this to cook for 20 minutes. The soup is be cooking for 20 minutes. It's time for us to add our meat. In here we have beef, ishaki, and stockfish. Now we are going to add our Titus fish, that is mackerel fish. Please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please don't fail to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. Turn on your notification bell. Please, if you are just passing by and come across this video, please don't fail to subscribe. This is the banga soup. I'm going to stir it. This is it. The soup is ready. I'm going to taste it. So delicious. This food tastes good. Just try it. You can use this food to eat starch, any kind of swallow, panenam, starch, puree, semo. You can use it to eat it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Please turn on your notification bell and like and share. Please don't forget to share this video so that people out there will see it. Thank you for joining me. We will meet next time. Bye.